Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to change a headlight on a Kia Optima. First, always prioritize safety by ensuring your vehicle is completely off and the key is removed. You'll need a new headlight bulb and potentially a 10mm wrench if you need to move the battery or coolant reservoir for better access. A crucial tip: avoid touching the glass of your new bulb with bare hands, as oils can significantly shorten its lifespan. Let's get started. Now let's access that bulb. Begin by opening your vehicle's hood. Look behind the headlight assembly you wish to replace. You'll find a circular access cap, usually made of black plastic. Gently twist this cap counterclockwise to remove it. This will reveal the back of the headlight bulb. On some Kia Optima models, you might need to slightly loosen or move the battery or coolant reservoir to gain enough working space, but often it's accessible directly. With the access cap off, it's time to remove the old bulb. Reach in and gently twist the bulb itself counterclockwise. It should unlock from its housing with about a quarter turn. Carefully pull the bulb straight out, then disconnect it from its electrical connector by squeezing the tab. Take your new bulb, connect it to the electrical harness, and then insert it into the headlight housing. Twist it clockwise until it feels secure and locked into place. You're almost done. Once the new bulb is securely in place, replace the circular access cap. Twist it clockwise until it's snug, ensuring a tight seal to protect against moisture and debris. Double-check that all connections are firm and no wires are pinched. Finally, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb illuminates properly. Congratulations! You've successfully changed your Kia Optima's headlight and are ready for the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.